Hi, my name is Zambia Clark and I live in Lakeland, Florida. I decided to pursue my master's in social work because I love to help people, especially those who have lost a lot of things in life and are still struggling. I love to be the person to offer hope for a successful future. This internship, I was supposed to be interning at the local emergency/transitional homeless shelter. However, due to COVID-19, they're unable to take on an internship at this time, as well as any volunteers. It did sadden my heart because I love volunteering at this agency. However, I do understand what precautions need to be taken for my sake as well as theirs. So, being that I'm not able to intern there, I've been placed in the PA internship initiative. Not quite sure what that entails because we have yet to have our first orientation, but that is set for the first week of September. I'm excited about it because this is something new that has never been done within the social work field, and I'm just excited to be part of the first group of students and social workers to actually have to learn a new method of interacting with clients for our safety as well as theirs. Looking forward to learning as much as possible. I'm excited to finally be able to use some of the skills and techniques and evidence-based theories that I've learned throughout this social work program. And I'm just very, 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 very excited to finally be able to do on-the-job training and be able to actually interact with clients, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.